just get this color. So cute. I don't need a phone case, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys have seen from the title, I am in New York, and well, I'm gonna go do a picnic kind of thing in Central Park. I already got my bag from 5 Below. I mean a blanket because I didn't bring one, so I got that. So I'm gonna go get some food because I did not have any breakfast. And then we'll go. And then I'm gonna go to Central Park. So let's find Popeyes first because that's the closest thing I feel like. So I'm gonna go get that. Then find my way to Central Park. Ferry. This is the Statue of Liberty. Yeah, go on boat ride. Yeah, hear me? Okay guys, so I am at I walked for literally 15 minutes. No. Yeah, I think it was. No. I walked for 20 something. I'm gonna do one of the car drives, but I'm gonna explore the park somewhere and then I'm 47 minutes by car, 33 minutes by train, and that's the subway, and an hour and 58 minutes if you walk. So I think I'm not gonna do that today. I don't know. I could take the subway and go, but I don't know. It sounds really far away. Well, it looks really far away. What do you guys think I should do? Should I go or should I do that? I feel like, I don't know. Should I take the subway or should I not? I think I'm gonna do it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I gotta get going now. So back home. I survived. Like, I survived, you guys. I kind of stopped vlogging, and the reason I stopped vlogging is because I got lost. I mean, I knew it was a possibility, but I was really enjoying myself. Like, I really thought that I had everything like done, like I got this or whatever. And then I got lost. So after I went on the ferry and was heading back, I missed my train. and I walked. Oh my goodness, but I eventually figured it out. I took a bus and just went back to where I could get my train to go back home. So that was that. And here I am. And it's currently 10:40. Anyways, I really enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed it. It was really good. It was such a nice experience. Like, I went to New York City by myself. I navigated my way through the city by myself. Lost myself, found myself. I loved it. Anyways, I got a package from Amazon. I really need to stop spending my money. I know what it is, but do you guys know what it is? Nope. So I got some small hoop earrings, the kind of real ones, like the kind of real gold thing, because I needed some. I have earrings, but they're from Shein. Most of them, like these ones, they're from Shein. But I need earrings that I can wear equity in my ears, so these are nice packaging. So it's just these ones.